Protein is essential. It's like the building blocks of your body, crucial for growth and repair. Every cell, from your hair to your muscles, needs protein to function correctly. Think of protein as the workers in your body. They build and repair tissues, transport nutrients, and fight off infections. Without enough protein, these essential processes slow down, leading to various health problems. In this essay, we'll explore the signs and symptoms of protein deficiency and learn how to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health.
Our bodies are incredibly smart. They send us signals when something is off, and protein deficiency is no exception. Recognizing these early signs is crucial for preventing more serious health issues down the line. One of the most common signs of protein deficiency is fatigue. If you're constantly feeling tired and lacking energy, despite getting enough sleep, it could be a sign you need more protein in your diet. Other early symptoms include changes in your hair, skin, and nails. You might notice your hair thinning or falling out more than usual, your skin becoming dry and flaky, or your nails becoming brittle and weak.
Beyond fatigue and changes in your appearance, several other signs indicate you might not be getting enough protein. These symptoms can manifest in various ways, affecting your physical and mental well-being. One significant sign is muscle weakness and pain. Since protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, a deficiency can lead to muscle loss, weakness, and even pain. Furthermore, protein deficiency can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. If you find yourself getting sick more often than usual, it could be your body's way of telling you it needs more protein to strengthen its defenses.
Section 4. Beyond the surface. The deeper impact of low protein. While the visible signs of protein deficiency are concerning, the impact goes beyond the surface. Prolonged protein deficiency can have severe consequences for your overall health and well-being. For instance, a lack of protein can lead to slow wound healing. Since protein provides the building blocks for tissue repair, a deficiency can significantly delay the healing process, increasing the risk of infection. Moreover, protein deficiency can affect your mood and cognitive function. Protein is essential for producing neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in your brain that regulate mood, sleep, and cognitive function. Imbalances in these neurotransmitters can lead to mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating.
Section 5. What the science says. Research on protein deficiency. Scientific research continues to shed light on the importance of protein and the consequences of deficiency. Studies have revealed a strong link between protein deficiency and various health issues, emphasizing the need for adequate protein intake. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that older adults with low protein intake had a significantly higher risk of frailty and functional decline. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that even mild protein deficiency could impair immune function, making individuals more susceptible to infections. These findings underscore the critical role of protein in maintaining overall health and well-being.
Section 6. Taking charge. Simple steps to boost your protein intake. The good news is that addressing protein deficiency is often achievable through simple dietary changes. By incorporating more protein-rich foods into your meals and snacks, you can give your body the building blocks it needs to thrive. Excellent sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal and snack to ensure you're meeting your daily requirements. If you find it challenging to meet your protein needs through diet alone, consider incorporating protein supplements like protein shakes or bars into your routine. However, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate dosage and type of supplement for your individual needs.
Section 7. Your health, your power, making informed choices today. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and making informed choices today can significantly impact your well-being in the long run. By understanding the importance of protein and recognizing the signs of deficiency, you can take proactive steps to ensure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. Don't ignore your body's signals. If you experience any of the symptoms discussed, consult with your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions and discuss strategies for increasing your protein intake. By prioritizing your health and making conscious food choices, you can support your body's needs and live a healthier, more vibrant life.